Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a Ford Edge, guys. So if you have a Ford Edge and you're trying to find the fuse for your Microsoft Sync system, stay with us and we'll explain where it's located. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, we're guys making at least 200 videos. We take them completely apart. Why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully guys you will find the information helpful. Now, if you need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools guys, and you want to save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below. Everything we use guys, okay, we list it there for your convenience. So I will open the hood. I want to show you something guys. You have two fuse boxes in your Ford Edge. Let me explain where now. This is a 2000, okay, this is a 2009 Ford Edge guys, 2009 Ford Edge. You have two fuse boxes. One is right under the hood, okay, right here. The other one is inside. The one that we need is actually inside guys, and if you need replacement fuses, okay, you can get the whole box, okay, for a super good price. So check it out guys, you can see where we get it from. Now once you guys do all that, okay, let me show you. Once you open the door, the Microsoft Sync system guys, depending on the generation, model, year and all that stuff, you may have it, you may not. We had a 2007 model with the Sync and 2010 without it, so it really depends guys if you have it or not. Now right here, if you come in the corner guys, okay, let me explain to you now. Okay, in this corner, okay, I will need to move a few cables actually out of the way a little bit so you can see a little bit better. Okay, this is the okay, park brake paddle right there, perfect. So you can see like that. Now guys, you're going to have usually, okay, one cover for the fuses, okay, right here. This cover will be installed over there guys, so you need to squeeze these two parts and get it out. Okay, right here we have the cable for the hood lock. Okay, so that cable will be a little bit in the way, so you have to be careful guys. And in order to get to there, you have that cover guys. Okay, that cover will be installed there. All you have to do is slide that thing back, pull it out, remove that cover, and then we'll be able to get to the fuse. Let me show you guys, okay, which fuse we have now, okay, which fuse we actually need to remove and replace for the Microsoft Sync system guys. Checking from top, okay, from the very top on the very left side guys, okay, on the very left side will be in our case right here towards the back. The very top guys, you start with fuse number 1, 2, 3. It's a 15 amp fuse guys, okay, that 15 amp fuse. So I go ahead, it's right under actually that cable there. I'll go ahead and pull it out. Okay, let me grab the other fuse spool because this one it's a little bit hard to get to because it's right behind that, okay, parking brake cable, which makes things a little bit more complicated right there guys. And if you need to get new, okay, replacement fuses, you can find guys the link in the description of the video below, and all you have to do after that, just grab a new fuse and install it. Okay, and this thing is a little bit hard to get there. Why? Because okay, you have all that, okay, that parking brake cable. So that's guys the fuse for the, okay, that's the fuse for the Microsoft Sync system guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.